what is the best way to approach India right now, Mark? Because valuations in pockets are quite steep. With any global comparison, people are talking about capex coming back, but many of the capital good companies have become very expensive. So, which pockets do you bet on in India when you look at it relative to valuations?
Well, it depends on how you define expensive. I personally don't think price earnings ratios are a very good measure of value. I personally like to look at return on capital, return on equity, cash flow, etc. And if you look at those measures, India is not really that expensive. So there's still plenty of bargains in India. And when you consider that India is growing at a very, very high rate, the economic growth is high, and therefore the potential for earnings per share growth in the companies in India is very high as well.
Okay. And many of the stocks in India which have actually performed very well over the last 1 year are typically companies which, large global investors may turn their nose up at. They are these smokestacks like NTPC and Coal India. There are these sin stocks like ITC. There is this erstwhile forgotten public sector banking stocks. If you did not own that end of the market, you wouldn't have done very well with your portfolio. How do you see this change where many stocks have actually been flying in the face of the faddish concepts like ESG, which were ruling the roost last year?
Yes, I think the variety is incredible. And the good thing about India is you do have a wide variety of stocks and sectors. We are involved in the software sector, medical sector. We're in the industrial sector as well. So there's lots of things you can pick and choose in the Indian market. And of course, depends on what your mandate is. As you know, the whole ESG emphasis is beginning to change. People are beginning to question whether investing according to ESG criteria is a good idea. So that will probably be another factor that will be positive for India going forward.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.